When nature takes natural beauty to a whole new level, there's something deeply calming and inspiring about witnessing nature's delicate artistry up close. The image of the small bird nestled snugly inside its intricately woven nest is a perfect example of how nature's creativity blends form and function with breathtaking elegance.
The art of nest building.
Birds are remarkable architects, using twigs, leaves, moss, and sometimes even feathers. They craft nests that not only provide shelter, but also camouflage and safety for their eggs and chicks. The nest in this image showcases a meticulous arrangement of natural materials, twisted and woven to create a secure cradle for the bird and its future offspring. Every nest tells a story of patience, dedication, and survival instinct. For many species, the act of building a nest is an essential ritual, crucial for the continuation of their lineage. This bird, with its soft feathers and watchful eyes, seems perfectly at home, a testament to the nurturing environment its nest provides.
A symbol of home and protection.
Beyond its physical function, a nest symbolizes home, comfort, and protection in the natural world. It represents a safe haven where life begins and is nurtured. This image captures not only a bird, but the essence of care and guardianship. For us humans, it's a reminder to cherish the spaces where we find peace and security. In a world that moves rapidly, slowing down to appreciate such quiet moments of nature's wisdom can be profoundly grounding.
Nature's subtle details.
Look closely at the bird's feathers, soft, layered, and delicate, with subtle shades blending seamlessly into the environment. The nest's intricate weave mirrors the complexity and beauty of nature's smallest details, often overlooked but critical to the ecosystem. This tiny scene holds a universe of lessons, patience in crafting something meaningful, the importance of shelter and safety, and the beauty and simplicity.
Final thoughts.
Next time you see a bird's nest, pause and reflect on the incredible effort behind it. It's not just a collection of twigs, it's a home built with care and instinct, a masterpiece of natural engineering, and a symbol of life's fragile yet resilient nature. Nature's beauty is all around us, often in the smallest and simplest places. This image is a beautiful reminder to notice, appreciate, and protect those moments of natural artistry.